Hi all, welcome to PowerShell for Penetration Testers at Pentester Academy. In this video, let's have a look at using COM objects with PowerShell. COM objects are a way or are interfaces to various Windows applications. Let's use the below command to explore the available COM objects in PowerShell. First of all, let's list all of the COM objects. As you can see, there are so many COM objects available. We can, as always, we can use the where object commandlet to filter out a particular COM object. Let's first of all try the W script. Now recall that while using .NET classes in PowerShell, we used a commandlet called newObject. newObject accepts a parameter called COM_object, which could be used to create objects of the various Windows applications. Now again recall, we use the getMember commandlet to export classes. Now as you can see, the WScript COM object provides following methods and properties. Let's try a couple of properties. We can see the current directory, special folders, etc. Or we can use various methods. For example, let's use the pop-up method. Let's run the send keys. Etc. Couple of interesting things are, we can use the exec method to execute commands. Now, how COM objects are useful to us. We will use the WScript shell COM object in client-side attacks, where we use the create shortcut method to drop weaponized or infected shortcuts on a client. Also, if you have seen the open source toolkit Nishang written by me, under the category client, we use this create shortcut method, as well as we use the COM objects of MS Office applications like Word and Excel to embed our PowerShell payloads inside their macros. Because COM objects are targeted towards system administrators. They come handy for us as well. Let's have a look at another interesting COM object, that is for the Windows shell. Let's instantiate this. And now if we explore the methods and properties, you can see that there are so many methods, many of which look very interesting. So this is the way we can use COM objects with PowerShell. As an exercise, use COM object for Internet Explorer to navigate to a website without visibility. That is, though the process gets created, it should not be visible to a target. Again, this is very useful if we want to forcefully browse a target machine to a website which contains, let's say, an exploit for Internet Explorer or something like that. Also explore shell.application COM object, which we saw right now, and try some of the available methods. So that is all for this video. If you are enjoying your time at Pentester Academy, please recommend us to your friends and colleagues in the information security community.